Foggy Eye never liked to be touched. And then one day showed up, had a wire coming out of her mouth. She actually accepted me to pet her. I was like, I'm going in. So I opened and went in, grabbed the hook. Since that day, she's become the shark that loves to be touched the most. When I start removing hooks, other sharks start showing up with hooks. I've become obsessed with removing these hooks. The shark will come into my stomach and just sit there, and I just pet her. You can feel the jaw opening and closing on your lap, which is one of the most beautiful things to feel. And what I try to make people understand is sharks are not a machine. They're not a monster. This is a